Hello everyone, Aman here for Mr. Phone, and in this video I'll be giving you all the necessary details that you need to know about our upcoming gaming tournament that we're about to host coming this Monday, that is the 28th of June. So this tournament is called Valorant Premier League and we'll be running it exclusively on our Mr. Phone gaming channel. This whole thing will be managed and handled by Aman, our in-house gaming expert, and if you want to know more about what he does, you can check out his streams only on Mr. Phone Gaming, and while you visit the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to help us grow. Okay, so participants, these would be the rules for this tournament, so keep an eye. The latest agent KO and the map Breeze are not allowed in this tournament. The last two teams playing the finals will have a best of 5 matches. The bracket of this tournament is the same as the Valorant Champions Tour Masters tournament. Any hacker spotted during this tournament will result in the complete team getting disqualified instantly. No teams are allowed to stream the tournament live, although you can record clips of your own and share them later. The winning team gets prizes worth 20,000 rupees, with the MVP getting a Techno Spark 7 Pro worth 10,499 rupees, while the rest of the members get a pair of wireless earphones and gift vouchers. While a substitute player is allowed to play elimination rounds, they won't be allowed to play the semi-final or final matches. Lastly, all the team leaders will be intimated about the final brackets and detailed information via a WhatsApp chat group. So I wish all the participating teams a very good luck. Let's make this tournament successful, guys, so that we can come up with more in the future. As always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Mr. Phone, and for all the latest in game streams, if the word game streams makes sense, stay tuned to Mr. Phone Gaming. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.